Let's have a look at how to pronounce and the meaning of different Korean terms, Korean siblings used in K-pop TV shows from Korea, friends designating school friends as well, very useful to know in everyday life in Korea. So let's start with the older siblings or older friends. If you're a boy or a male and you have older siblings or older friends, you're a male, you're a boy, your older brother or brothers or friends are going to be your Hyung. Hyung. Okay, so if you have older friends at school or you're part of a K-pop group, for example, the boys that are older than you, if you're a boy, are your Hyung. Your older sisters or older girlfriends are your Noona. Noona. Now, if you're a girl and you have older siblings, older brothers and older friends that are boys, they're going to be your Oppa. Oppa. You're a girl still, you have older sisters or older girlfriends, they're going to be your Unnie. 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 Now all your younger siblings, all your younger friends, generally, regardless of their gender, they're going to be your Dongsaeng. Dongsaeng. If you want to be a little more specific, your younger siblings or younger friends that are boys are going to be your Dongsaeng. Dongsaeng. Your younger sisters or younger girlfriends are going to be your Dongsaeng. Your Dongsaeng. Now, you know, if you want to learn more useful names and words from Korean, here are more videos for you. Thanks for watching.